Yes, ready for dictation? Start. If any difficulty arises in relation to the transition from any corresponding law of any law which by virtue of section 9 shall as form the appointed day extend to or come into force in the acquired territories, the central government may by order notified in the official gazette make such provisions as appear to it to be necessary or expenditure for removing the difficulty stop. If any difficulty arises in giving effect to the provisions of this or in connection with the administration of the acquired territories as part of the state in which are included, the state government concerned may by order in the official gazette make such provisions not inconsistent with the purposes of this act as appear to it to be necessary or expenditure for removing the difficulty stop passes. The court considered the effect of exemption of the state from the purview of rent control legislations but held all the same that an action for eviction by the state must be reasonable and not whimsical and stand the test of scrutiny under Article 14 stop. In all these writ petitions, it is possible to package the relief not directly for payment of money but for a mandamus to a public authority to perform a duty, namely of fulfillment of obligation under the respective contracts stop. In other words, the jurisdiction for a writ remedy could be stated to be that the state and its functionaries which have invited parties to do public works are committing a breach of its terms arbitrarily and their actions are violative of Article 14 of the Constitution stop. It could be therefore seen that the proposition has always been that the action which is arbitrary will be areas of consideration through a writ petition, but enforcement of a term through a writ petition for payment of money itself has not been favored with stop. This point was directly confronted in the state of HP versus Raja Mahendra Pal 1999 for SCC 43, and the Supreme Court ruled that contractual matters involving interest on delayed payments could not be brought in writ jurisdiction stop. In Union of India versus Graphic Industries Company 1994 5 SCC 398, a mandamus issued by a DB of the High Court to pay about half a crore of rupees to a contracting party by the railways on the recommendation of the minister was reversed by the Supreme Court to hold the court's assessment of unfairness of the conduct of railways was merely made on the communication of the minister stop over.